Hello again. Today we're going to have a look at the Moving Mic Record Lav, and this is for iPad, iPhone, iPod Touch, etc. And so you can use it obviously with Samsung phones, anything with a 3.5mm headphone jack. So inside the box we have a small leatherette pouch. It's got a number on here, MCLM10. I'll give you all the information as well, don't worry. So here's the instruction booklet or pamphlet, and I'll give you a closer up image on those so you can see them a bit clearer. Okay, 1.9 meter cable, 6 feet, 3.5mm connection, lavalier microphone. On the other side it gives you the decibels, so it's at 30 decibels plus or minus 3 decibels and 17 grams in weight. Cable length is 1.2 meters, which I find to be just the right length for doing things with the phone, or if you're handhelding something like the Osmo Pocket or that Osmo Action. So this should come in nice and handy for that. Inside you get a spare microphone wind reducer and another clip. You got the leatherette pouch, a bag of silica gel, and the lavalier itself. Right, I haven't come across Moving Mic before. I've had a Magic Mic, but not Moving Mic. The quality of it is metal, plastic. It doesn't have a braided cable, which is unfortunate, but it does keep the weight down a little bit without that. The wind reducer foam is a little bit loose fitting, but I'm sure if I can find a little little rubber band, I can fit it to it a bit tighter. It's got Moving Mic on there, gold plated, 3.5mm connector, and it's a TRRS. And here we go, this is the microphone itself. Right, I'm going to give you a little audio test and see. Sorry about that. Give you a little audio test and see what you think about it, and if you think it's better than the microphone I've been using for my videos for the last 2 or 3 years. So I'll let you into the little secret now. I'm using the microphone because I pre-recorded this earlier. Let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll see you next time.